Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up an automation on your Wix website. Automations can be really useful when you want your website to handle repetitive actions for you. For example, you might want to automatically send an email after someone submits a form, respond to a new customer, or trigger another action when something happens on your site. To get started, head over to your site's dashboard in Wix. This is the main control center for your website, and it's where you'll manage important tools and settings. Once you're on the dashboard, look over to the left-hand sidebar. This menu gives you access to different areas of your site, and the section you want to find here is Automations. Go ahead and click on that. When you open the Automations area, you'll be taken to the place where Wix lets you create actions and workflows that can happen automatically on your website. This is useful for saving time and making sure routine tasks happen without you needing to do them manually every time. The basic idea behind an automation is simple. Something happens on your website, and Wix automatically performs an action in response. This can help you stay consistent and reduce the amount of repetitive work you have to handle yourself. Next, move to the top right corner of the page and click Create Automation. This is the button that starts the setup process. After clicking it, Wix will show you a few different ways to create your automation, depending on how much guidance you want. Before choosing an option, think about what you want the automation to accomplish. Having a clear goal makes it much easier to decide whether a template, AI assistance, or a custom setup is the best approach. One option you'll see is a collection of ready-made templates. These are pre-built automation setups designed for common website needs. Templates are particularly useful for beginners because much of the basic setup has already been prepared for you. Instead of creating every part yourself, you can choose something close to your goal and then adjust it as needed. If you already have something specific in mind, you can use the search feature to quickly look for a template that matches what you want to do. This can be a great choice if you want to get started faster and don't want to build everything manually. For example, if you want to automate communication with visitors or customers, searching for a related template can help you find a suitable starting point without going through every available option. You'll also see the option to create with AI. This is helpful if you want some assistance during the setup process. Wix can guide you in building an automation based on what you need, which can make the process feel more approachable, especially if you're still learning how automations work. With this approach, focus on clearly describing what you want the automation to achieve. The clearer your goal is, the easier it becomes to create a workflow that matches what you actually need. If you prefer full control, you can click Start from Scratch. This option opens a completely empty setup, allowing you to build your automation from the ground up. It's a good choice if you want something more customized and don't want to begin with a template. Starting from scratch can be useful when your workflow has specific requirements that aren't covered by a ready-made option. It gives you more flexibility over how the automation is structured and what should happen at each stage. At this point, the key thing is choosing the setup method that fits your comfort level and your goal. Templates are quick and convenient. The AI option offers guidance, and starting from scratch gives you flexibility. If you're completely new to Wix automations, a template can be an easy place to begin. As you become more comfortable with how the workflows operate, you can experiment with AI-assisted setups or build more customized automations from scratch. Once you select the option you want, you'll be ready to continue building your automation inside Wix. Before activating any automation you create, it's also worth reviewing the setup carefully and testing the workflow where possible. This helps make sure the correct action happens when the intended trigger occurs. That's how to begin setting up an automation on your Wix website.